Hi guys, today it is Living here. Today we have episode 2 Roblox. So, um, so today I really want to play. Where is it? Where is it? Right there. Roblox Escalating. If you have played Roblox, this game, I was one of the original players to come in number 1. And also, I will be playing with a friend, and I might be doing a roleplay. So guys, I'll be back. See you. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I have every single game pass. So, oh my god, let me just open this thing. Okay, so I have every single game pass. Oh, I don't have every single card, but I do have every single game pass. Yeah, I do. Let me just prove it to you guys. Passes. You already own all available passes for this. So I hope there's no more game passes because I really need to like do my math and see how much Robux I would spend. But like I don't want to spend more than like 5,000 just in game money. So someone else. So today I'll be playing with someone and it's a friend. Her name is a FIFA World Cup. Oh my god, I hate when this does my computer. So I like using I like going straight. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start driving properly. I really don't like driving properly. Plus, I don't know. Oh my god! I got out. This is my friend a FIFA World Cup. So this episode's just like okay, so that's my house out there, right here. Okay, sorry, we're back, and oh, I count. It's almost 12 o'clock. Say, I'll be World Cup. Where are you? Okay, I guess World Cup is not really to talk, so I'll just go here. Let's see if she's in her house. Because I hope she is. Because I just infiltrated her house. So guys, can I show you guys a Okay, I'll be back again, sorry. Okay guys, right now there's something called the Shooting Stars that goes every single day at 12:12. You know someone's trying to drive your car? My car? Whatever. It's black. Racist. Oh, I got 400 gems! Just telling you there's a karma shop, so keep giving you and your friend karma. Imagine I get 10,000 gems. Would you cry? Oh, come on. I always get this.
Yeah, I got a red grind for skateboard. And now it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Time to go.
There's one more for me. So I'm just zooming out because it's way more easier. I know I'm gonna get it next time. Oh, come on. I hate getting these short tables because they're so annoying. I have like so much of them. I have like more than 5, I think. I'm not sure.
I have 20 of them. I have 20 starlights. I have 20 beds. I have 20 of everything on there. Time to go home.
Oh, come on! I could have gotten the minivan. So every single time in 12 o'clock in the morning, a.m., p.m. I mean. Actually, that doesn't exist. So a.m. There will be an opening, and yeah.
Okay, now we will be role playing.
Role playing is next episode. Remember we said?
Oh yeah.
So we're just trying to talk. If you guys telling us in the comments below what you guys want, we'll tell you. And yeah, I might get Robux next time.
I probably won't. I won't go home.
If you guys want to see more comedy, 10 likes today. 10
Bless
likes.
you.
10 likes and maybe 3 subscribers. That would be good. We'll just keep posting. So yeah. Just to tell you. Oh yeah, I'm principal. So yeah, just to tell you, from the stuff from the last game, like Roblox High School. But from Roblox High School, for number one, if you get the game passes, I can actually connect to this game. But it's actually better to get from this game because it's way more cheaper.
No. Have you passed Mrs. Cookie?
Oh, I'm gonna go eat a cookie.
I love cookies. I finished a lot of cookies today.
My videos.
I wonder what class we're gonna have now.
I just need to pause. Art is gonna be in a few minutes. A minute. So basically, a minute is basically an hour in this game, just to tell you. Actually, it is. It is. I'm not sure. My game is being really weird right now. My clock isn't working. Okay, good. I have like way more efficient ways to go there, so I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna equip all my fastest stuff. FIFA look. Oh, John, no me. Oh, let me just TP to it. So let's see who is gonna get the high score for today. So we're just gonna skip like the waiting time. Oh my gosh, really. World Cup, where are you?
I'm in the back. We will be doing our art right now.
You know these don't you do anything? Like you just have something that comes up on your screen.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
L. Okay. No. The reds are my favorite.
I know, cause you only tap it once.
I got one thing. I'm gonna print in one.
Oh, I'm so annoyed.
I'm sorry, you.
It's like a face.
Should be talking.
Face.
Okay, I did one. Let's see if I can do two.
Hey. Beautiful.
Are you watching Peppa Pig?
Keep on.
Okay. Oh, I messed up.
I know I messed up too. Are you on your second one?
Third one.
Oh. I'm probably gonna get a C.
I'm probably gonna get a B. I mean,
Yes, I did too. Finally. Woo.
oh, I messed up.
Okay.
I got a few plus.
Woo, me too. Oh, we both did two. We did two, right? We both did two, right? I got $30. So this is a better way to grind for money, just for me.
Was that rice enough yesterday?
So waiting time, I will. Sorry guys, I had to end the video, so I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.